Siguro ato, samtang inyong tumanon ang mga pulong na nagsulag dinhi sa mga pulong sa Dios tingali or usa kini kagiya alang kanimo aron kamo magmalambuson alang sa inyong kaminyoon.
In the depths of despair, we parted ways, lost in the echoes of our yesterdays. But from the ashes, a spark ignite, leading us to a new dawn's light. From heartbreak to a wedding vow, our journey took a different road somehow. Through tears and pain, God still binds our way again, turning sorrows into love. Through lonely nights and endless tears, with God within us, we faced our fears. In the silence, we heard melody, a song of hope and sweet harmony. Now here we are in front of God, with love's embrace we understand. God bless the broken road that lead us to this place, where love abounds and hearts embrace. From heartbreak to a wedding vow, our journey took a different road somehow. Through tears and pain, God still binds our way again, turning sorrows into love. So let's raise a toast to love's sweet song. From the depths of despair, we have grown strong. For in the end, love has found a way, from breakup to a wedding day. So let's raise a toast to love's sweet
Gugmaon din daw hanggang sa atong kanalayo, sa kalipay man, sa kasakit, pagsulay, sa kalisod, sa kayahay, kung saan po kanimo, kung akong gugma diha kanimo, mo mong hutod sa atong pagkamatayon. Ano? Kamatayon ba?
Katubangan sa katauhan diri kita o katubangan sa pamumuhay nga Dios. Ako rin saan pinimo nga higugmaon ta ka, panggaon ta ka, di ba naman panggaon ta ka o sa kasakit man, sa kalipay, always kung naa ka sa down no moment, you can always lean on me. Kaya pwede ka matawag ako, na huwag na ba sa tanan, ikaduha ka sa comparative. Ikaduha ka sa Ginoo. So, dumaon na ka, hagod sa doon, kamatayon.
love has found a way, from breakup journey took a different road somehow. Through tears and pain, God still